Alright guys, welcome back to the Commander Cody's Ewing build. So this is where we left off. We were going to start on this wing over here. So to begin this build process, we just remove these two tile pieces, or these two wing pieces here. And then this will get placed here. Now as you can see though, over here we did add some more detailing into the wings, including this right here, which I'm going to say is a vent for air as the ship flies at high speeds. So let's get on back to this side over here, and we are going to click that in there, and then this piece will go here. So this is just basically how I built and designed the other side of this build. Some of it you did see in the last video. Just going over some of the things we did to make the build work and function, and some of the things that I had to change. So this goes here, and this will all fit in. As you can see, I went ahead and did the change from the last video where we moved the little rubber guard inwards so that we could, I don't have that in the right place obviously. Alright, now let's put all of this back together. Why is this not going together the way that it is supposed to? Alright, so this is another thing that's nice to show you guys, is even with the most planning possible, things can still go wrong. So let's see if we can get this back working the way it's supposed to. There we go. Now wait a minute, because I don't think I want to have this in the right spot. So let's move that up like that. I want to come over here and just make sure that by tilting it up, we look and make sure that both wings are level, and it does appear that they are. So we will move on to the next section of this build, which is going to be placing this here, and then on the upper side, that one, the lower side, this one, and then this assembly, which is two 1x4 tile pieces. Actually, no, that is not how I have that done over there. I'll back that up just a bit like that, and then this one, which is a upward bracket, this half a pyramid, and then this grate, which will go there, completing that look. So now then, let's go ahead and get out again this section here, which we will go ahead and clamp on and replace again. On this side we used two 1x3 tiles. Unfortunately, I don't think I have any more of the 1x3 tiles, so there's one. We're going to try to keep continuity. If I am unable to find that piece, I will substitute it for something else. So we did that, and then we came down and we used the front end of this along here, because down here we used this 1x6 here just to kind of help hold everything together. This goes here, and then this will go here, moving that forward just a smidge, clicking that in there. We'll go ahead and remove this, and then this section is again removed so that we can add in Commander Cody's heavy weapon artillery. Let's see, which I should have all the parts for right here. It's just a very simple assembly, again, of this little Technic conversion piece, and then your orange Technic extender placed together as such. And one more pass over of this to see if I have another 1x3, and it doesn't look like I do. So what we will do is, just so that we continue to keep that symmetrical look, we will go ahead and add that in there. And then we will turn this back over to this side and remove both this one here and that one there, and replace it with that. So now we have Commander Cody's Ewing with Commander Cody standing on top of the cockpit. So to fix that, and we are also going to do some custom work on the inside of this cockpit, just to kind of give him a little bit more of a spot to grip on the controls. There you go, Commander Cody inside of his Ewing. This has been an absolutely spectacular build that I have enjoyed doing so very much. We are still going to add some small details in as time goes on, so we are not actually finished. Once I have a few more pieces, there will be some things that we will be doing to this. I do intend on replacing the droid socket here, potentially for maybe a weapons rack or storage of some kind. I think I will probably end up using this piece and having it sit something like that, so that I can have some kind of storage up here. So that will probably be the next video, is finishing up the storage for Commander Cody's Ewing. I hope you guys have enjoyed this build as much as I have, and I will see y'all next time, and as always, keep building.